Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, that's the S&P, by the way. Getting slapped the last 2 days. Slapped. Okay. Get the music. Oh, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Time to prepare. Okay. Good morning, Chambers. New Solutions. Good morning, Jay. Good morning, Virus. Anthras. Virus, thank you, by the way. Subscriber mode. Thank you. Will, good morning. Joe, good morning. Scott, good morning. Oleg, Ayo, good morning. River, good morning. Hopefully you had a good weekend as well. Ryan, Monies, good morning. Tesh, good morning. Jack, good morning. Martin, good morning. Jason, good morning. Good morning, everybody. A bull morning. Go deep. Let's go. Guardian, welcome back. Glad your Wi-Fi is back. And yeah. Gonna- rolling out Starlink internet for free to customers on some planes. Damn. Oh wow, that's cool. Yeah, I want to try that too. You need like the travel Starlink. Can you take your own Starlink to the plane? I wonder. Like if you're traveling, right? Like just anywhere. I wonder. That would be fire. Carlos, good morning. Natalia, good morning. Last 10 minutes. Is there any more left? It should be on here somewhere. GNPX, there it is. That's a really nice pop. My concern now is it has resistance at 360, all the way up to the very very top at 375. So when it's close to 360, um, potentially what you're getting out of it left is 15 cents. So I don't know if it's worth your time. Amanda, good morning. Jamie, good morning. Doge and Wolf, DT, good morning. Yi, good morning. Hello, hello. Alrighty, so risk reward. I don't know if it's worth it for you, right? Well, when's your one on one? When is your one on one? When did you schedule it for? So ENSP is the one that a lot of you guys have made some good monies on. Yeah, that's a really nice gain for Bosonova. Yeah, $2,000 gain, 173%. Well done. That's nice monies. Very nice monies. Congratulations. Yeah. I don't think he wanted to initially sell it though. So the fourth, damn, it's quite far away. First available was the fourth of next month. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sometimes the calendar fills out really quickly. But anyways, if you are a gold member, just make sure you always schedule. So make sure you have two scheduled for next month, Will. So you don't have to at the end of the month then go look, right? Abdu, good morning. Ao, good morning. Good morning. What's wrong with the 15-cent scalp? Nothing. Good morning, D. Nothing. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. So here's a list of the yeah. So here's the list of top gainers coming into the open. I really need to mute my Discord. Um, I take it off stream mode sometimes when I get off the stream, but it's really annoying. Really, really annoying. Sometimes. Okay. Emma, Ayo, Ayo. How are yous? Okay, logged out of that. Log into this account. Perfect. Let's make monies now, please. Okay, let me zoom into this little screen here. Alrighty. So here's the list of stocks causing chaos this morning. Mike, are you ready for winter? Because it's coming. It's coming, Mike. Winter's here, Canada. Well, Will lives in Edmonton, so that's how I know winter's coming. Because Mike is my neighbor, you know. Well, he's not, but Mike lives somewhere in the city, somewhere. So we need to go find Mike, you know. Uh, my goodness, I hate when like when your stuff logs you out and then is he asking me to log back in? But I don't remember my password. Oh my days. No, I don't remember my damn password. Mm, this is disappointing. Anyways, me, good morning. Nitro, good morning. Okay, so Mike is my other city neighbor, you know, like the city over, right? Let's go D. Unbelievable. Rob, yeah, Rob is not my neighbor, but Rob, good morning. Rob is my neighbor, but like my Discord neighbor, you know. Uh, yeah. Chase, soon. It's coming. Don't worry. It's coming. It's coming. Uh, you remember what a stock did from who knows when? Hey, that's not nice. Nosotros. I don't know. Remember my password. Oh my goodness. Uh, yeah. Yeah. Hmm. This is also one of those accounts I use every day, though. So I don't remember the damn password. Uh, what do I do here? What do I do? Did I use an email? Maybe. Okay. Let's see. Uh, ski, scoo. La 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 la. Uh, mm, 1 second, I'm just looking here. Mm. -4. Yeah. Jamie says Wolf or NITO into the open. Probably NITO, Jamie. Depends. That's the one I like more. Wolf, I don't think Wolf is gapping up this morning because Bitcoin is selling off, right, Jamie? So, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Mine -4. Ayo Grim, Samit. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. But yeah, -4. Yeah, I think it should get a little bit warmer this week though, uh, and then we go from there. So ENSC guys, we like this one going into the open, right? Right? Is it our favorite name going into the open? It might just be. So we like this name. The next resistance, if I can stop screwing up with my charts, what just happened? Did you guys see that? Anyways, I blame this on Rob. I think that's only fair. Anyways, so ENSC, right? We have a little bit of resistance at 60 cents, so just be mindful, right? So 60 cents and then closer to 65 at the top. Alrighty. So so those are our next two levels going into the open for ENSC. GNPX is another one that's cooked, right? This one did really well yesterday, right? Because we did a whole bunch of scribbles on it, right? Look at all these scribbles. This thing did really well overnight in after hours, and then that run continued in pre-market, which is really good. So 265% yesterday, another 128% this morning. So this is going to be another one that we pay attention to. Our next resistance is closer to three. Again, I mentioned earlier, right? So that's 65 to 375, right? Virus. So we're going to be paying attention to this one. PBM had a really nice pop this morning, but then double topped at 1450-ish, right below 15 cents. So let's see if we can break above 15 cents going into the open, right? IVP just got destroyed. So I don't know if this thing is still in contention. But a lot of supply at the top and then slapped the abyss. There is a double bottom for now at 37 cents. So if this is something you're interested in, watch that 37-cent bottom there. HYZN was another one that, again, had a really good run. I hate when stocks do this, honestly, because this creates bad habits. Like stuff like this. If you made money in this, congratulations. But this stuff will create bad habits, right? The good thing here, though, is like you can look at this and you can say, okay, like the news or whatever came out, right? So news came out. They had news this morning, right? So news came out and it popped straight to the supply zone, which makes it really easy, right? You can look at this and you can say, "Duh, resistance. You should be selling," right? Um, anyways, so like in that sense, it's really easy. But sometimes when stocks just explode like this without going sideways, consolidating, dipping, and curling, it makes people FOMO into these things when the news comes out. And then there are times where like it doesn't even go up this much and it just crashes back to the abyss, right? So this is going to be another one of those that we see if the volume kicks in when the market opens already. Let me know if I'm missing anything. Let me know if there's anything else you want to add to the list of stocks we should be watching. Obviously, more names are going to show up when the market opens. We're going to see which ones actually get the volume. But let me know if there's something you're paying attention to as we go into the open, guys. TK, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, Bob. William, good morning. Lizzie, good morning. Good morning, Doje, good morning. Nisi, hola, hola, ¿cómo estás? Anyways, I'm laughing because I was gonna say something to Rob, because every time I speak Spanish and then I think Rob. Anyways, yeah, NITO. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So I'm gonna leave this one again on the side there. I'm gonna pull up NITO right beside it. NITO. Actually, no. NITO we talked about already. It's no, we haven't. Huh. Yeah, if you look at this though, PBM looks exactly like NITO, doesn't it? Like if you expand the chart out. So when I looked at this chart, I was like, oh, that looks very similar. But anyways, the S&P is also kind of selling off this morning. I don't think anybody's really overly concerned about the S&P, honestly. Like SPY is sitting at 580, right? Yes, it was red yesterday, and yes, it's red this morning. Don't think anybody really cares yet, right? So don't think anybody's overly concerned about that yet. So we'll see. Yeah. 10% of the swing. Very nice. Very nice. NCI. Very nice. Yeah, I saw that dude pumping it on social media. NCI. Yeah. Nice little pop. And then major resistance at 175. So if it can break above that level, maybe there's more juice. More juice. Dan, good morning. Ayo, Patricia, good morning. Yeah. Alrighty. And then there were a few questions that you guys were asking. So let's do a quick rapid fire, guys. So if you have any questions about anything, just ask really quickly. Just spam the tickers in the chat and I'll take a look and we can move on. Alrighty. Don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, uh, like anywhere from like 6.5 to 7, yeah. You know? Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. You know? Let me take a look again. Yeah, I kind of feel like your next resistance is 240, 340. So 340 and then 350. So almost every 10 cents that you have resistance on this one. Uh, let's go, Rob. TNXV. Again, if you have any questions before the market opens, because when the market opens, I tend not to read any questions, you know? I tend to just like ignore questions and as if I don't see them, but I see them. Anyways, so we talked about TNXP not too long ago, guys, and so we said it kind of looks like it's in a range for now, doesn't it? Right. So you can see the bottom of the range. If I can get my marker going, you have the bottom of the range, but at the same time, this thing is having a hard time holding 20 cents. So for now, it's just going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. It needs to get above 20 cents and close above 20 cents, then it looks good. Alrighty, James. Hopefully that answers your question. Good morning, Gwendolyn. Yes, Rob. Yes. Have you seen that video? Anyways, can I get a free membership for 1 month? I'm at. Unfortunately, you can't. Just get a membership. It's gonna pay for itself. Alrighty. Just become a member. Just do it. Just do it. Do it right now. Shaftman, good morning. Let's go, Raven. So again, if you have any questions, now is the time to ask. You know, now is the time to ask. Like why are Dan's feet so big? Now's the time to ask, you know? Yeah. Like why does Joe always smell weakness? Now is the time to ask. Because la 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 la. Are you guys all in the same stock HYZN? Oh my goodness. So the you know what I would really like is I would like for that 200 EMA to catch up to where this bottom is at. So for now, your main level is $3. $3. If it stays above $3, fine. If it breaks below $3, if it breaks below $3, you're gonna have a bit of a problem. Alrighty. So yeah, it kind of needs to stay above $3. Are we good? Good morning, Jeff. 1995. So I really wanted above $20, 20 cents. Yeah, I agree. Did I look at JT? Have I looked at SOBR? No, I have not. SOBR. Let me look at this thing on a daily time frame really quickly first. I know we've talked about this one over the last 2 weeks because it's had multiple runs. I just want to see what it's doing on a bigger time frame. It kind of seems like it's sitting in the middle, isn't it? Right. So you have your demand zone or your support, right, closer to $4, 420, and then you have this last little failed known supply zone at 1718, right? So and it's sitting closer to the bottom of the range. Okay, cool. That's all I wanted to see. That is all I wanted to see. I'm not sure if you're in this position at all, right? So if I were you, right? So I'm going to put some lines on this chart. Okay. So these are the levels I'd be looking for. So initially I'd be looking for this 200 and this previous bottom around $10, right? So $10 lines up with the 200, a double bottom and a psychological level, right? So watch $10 below that. You're potentially looking for, honestly, you could also just wait for 850 if you're looking for an entry, right? If we break below $10, you have a problem. Cool. So I'll give you three levels. So again, $10, 950, and then closer to 8. I call it 8, but really it's not exactly $8. But okay, moving on. That's all you guys get now. Cool. Markets open. Are we seeing any boom skis yet, guys? No, nothing yet. Nothing yet. NCI failed in that supply zone. GNPX still is pushing. We're getting a bit of a pop, but again, this is just typical though, right? So be careful, please. Typical market open pops. Jeffrey's trafficking. That's crazy. Crazy, crazy. Okay, I'm catching up to the bottom. Let's go, Pablo. Good morning. Ayo, ayo. So ENSC, again, one of the top names for us this morning. Volatility, right? I'm going to say this until the end of time. If you're not sure what to do in the morning, don't do anything. Kind of sit back and wait, right? Let these stocks figure out what they want to do. That being said, again, ENSC, really good drop though to closer to 50 cents. Let's see if we can stay above 50 cents. That becomes a nice looking W, right? A nice double bottom. But again, 60 cents resistance and then 65 at the top. Alrighty, cool, cool, cool. GNPX is also looking good, right? Second favorite name, right? Up 142%. That thing has all of this resistance at 360, 375, as we mentioned earlier, right? So you can see how these candles are all over the place. That's why it's not safe, right? This is why it's not safe for you to be like, oh, but I want to buy this thing at the open, right? Unless something is sold off and it's consolidating at the open, do not, right? Be very careful. And so I've mentioned this, right, quite a few times. It either has to sell off and consolidate or it has to break out, right? One of the two. That's the only time you buy something at the open. Cool. So you don't just randomly buy stuff like, oh, it's sitting in a weird spot. Let me just jump in, right? No, sell off, consolidate, or break resistance, right? So you can see how most of these names are just kind of playing with the range for now, trying to decide which one's going to cook. And one of these names will cook, right? One of these names will cook. I think they're just trying to decide. And people will usually sit back and watch and watch and watch. And then as soon as one of them breaks out, they're like, oh, yeah, there it is. Let's go FOMO now, right? There goes that drop all the way to $3 for HYZN, right? We mentioned that $3 level coming into the open. That's the level that you might have for support now. HYZN. Cool. So you have a double bottom at $3. You also have the 200 EMA at $3. Watch that level. ENSC, again, that's 60 cents. We need to break above and then cook, right? And then GNPX, like these candles are all over the place. It's like up, down, up, down, up, down, right? So it's not sure what it wants to do yet. Same thing with ENSC. Like, look at that. We just went from 60 cents back to 55, back to 57. Like, it's all over the place. So one of these two names will probably cook at some point here. Like it seems like any second one of these names will. Oh, there we go. 360 GNPX. Ooh, and all the way back down. And are we going back up? No, we're coming down. Oh, here we go again. I mean, Christmas is coming up, so we might as well, the light show, right? I think my stream can do the light show. Let's go. The light show. There it is. So, anyways, one of these names, though, the question is which. You know what's annoying, though, is how they're both kind of sitting in supply zones. They're both kind of sitting at resistance. So it becomes more of a FOMO than a really good technical play, right? Like look at ENSC. ENSC also wants to go. There goes oh my goodness, look at that. I was excited coming to see GNPX because that thing just popped to 370. And then 2 seconds later, it's back to 340. ENSC is looking better though. As soon as I say that, okay, no, we are actually looking better. One of these two names, come on now. Come on. You can do it. Get above 60 cents and hold. Look at that. We're back to 57 again. Unbelievable. Yeah, right? So 60-cent wall and then 65 after that. Sheesh. Um, you can tell though, like the scanner isn't going off because nothing is breaking out. Like everybody's just sitting back and waiting to strike. They're like, okay, who's gonna send it? Who's gonna send it? ENSC. Then we go 60 cents incoming. 190%. Ooh, no, we're back to 57 again, guys. Like this is just this is Coachella vibe. Look at this. We're back to 56. This is what I mean. Like these plays are they're trying to break out, but they're really at resistance. Right? Look at that. 55, 54. Look at that, right? Like it's very confusing. So if you're not sure what to do, sit on your hands. Right? Here goes GNPX now. It's like, okay, let me try. My goodness. TCBP with a bit of a pop down. Here we go. 366, 367, 368, 370. Come on now. So we almost need to break out and then retest and then just keep pumping after that. There we go. 37. Oh my good. Look at that, guys. Did you see that? Look at that. Oh my, look at that. We just went from 370 all the way back to 330, all the way back up to 360. These stocks really don't know what they want to do this morning. Look at that. Look at the craziness. And now it's back to 377, 395. That thing just said, "Yup, I'm the captain now." And the question is, can you even trust it yet though? Like with candles like this, can you trust this? You know? But at least we're getting some price action. I mean, like look at that. We just went from 390 all the way back to 360. So again, if you're not sure what to do, guys, the market's been open for 6 minutes. There's hours and hours and hours left for today. There's no need for you to just be like, "Oh my goodness, I need to get into this now." Look at ENSC, right? ENSC is getting slapped, right? There is no need to rush. No need to rush at the open. You're gonna get screwed more often than you win. So the only time you buy something at the open, again, if it's breaking resistance, right? If it's a well-defined resistance level that it's breaking above and closing above, or it's sold off into the open and consolidated in pre-market, right? Like right into the open, it was consolidating and then curl, right? Then that's okay, right? Other than that, when stocks are in the middle like this, don't play with fire, please. PHUN is popping a little bit. SGMO is popping a little bit. TCBP, as I mentioned, pop a little bit. Right, everything just seems to be popping a little bit. Um, yeah, SGMO with yeah, was just over 40%. Just over 40%. Let me take a look. Actually, SGMO. Sometimes these charts take forever up to the load. It's a bit of consolidation there and then a pop. Yeah, I mean, GNPX doesn't look horrible. I just don't like the volatility on the candles because it doesn't really give you a good entry. You know what I mean? Like it doesn't give you like a safe, reliable entry, right? It's just chaos. So if you happen to FOMO and it works out, then that's beautiful. ENSC, what are we doing here? Still dipping? Yeah. So watch that 47 next, right? Closer to the 200 EMA there. Let's see if we can stay above it. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, back to GNPX because that thing is looking nice and consistent. Maybe those crazy candles are gone now. Should you sell your Doge, Jamie? I don't know where you bought Doge. I know nothing about your Doge position, so you're asking me to just give you random information. What's your position in Wolf, Jamie? Let me know. What did you buy Wolf at? What did you buy that thing at? I think we might have missed that signal on ENSC here. We might have missed it. Might have missed it. Okay, yeah, GNPX is looking a lot more reliable now, isn't it? Right? As soon as I say that, as soon as I say that, we go from 390 to 360. But anyways, um, what are you guys playing with this morning? Let me know in the chat. Like, what are you guys playing with? What are you guys playing with this morning? So GNPX is definitely looking like the more promising name, but I think we need to get some higher lows, so a few more consistent levels, and then go from there. GNPX, just GNPX. Okay. Yeah, Kodak. Okay. You got in at $4.40, Jamie. I'll take a look. I promise. Just give me a second. Again, market open craziness. I'll take a look in a second. You're sitting on your hand so far, Yogi. Okay, yeah. I think ENSC that little dip to 47 was nice. And then for GNPX, we need these higher lows, right? Especially for people that are not in yet. If you're in this, beautiful. PHUN, yeah, PHUN with a bit of a pop this morning. Till Friday. You're holding GNPX till Friday is what you're saying? You needed to hit $15. I mean, you never know. You never know. Never say never, right? Never. $4.40. Beautiful. Congratulations, by the way, Jamie. Congratulations. Wow. $4.40 was quite nice. I mean, as you can see, right? If I go back to 2022, the last time Wolf was anywhere close to this price was in, like I said, 2022, right? So you can see that double top, right? Getting close to like $6.50, which it was close this morning. So my question for you is: are you taking some profits, or do you at least have a stop loss? Because if you don't, I would do that immediately, right? You bought in closer to the bottom. It's all the way at the almost at the top, right? Make sure at the very least you have a stop loss somewhere, please, right? So you again, if you have enough shares, take some monies on the way up, right? And then see if you can break out on the rest, right? So just be aware that the closer you get to $6.50, the last time it was at this level, it got slapped, right? Funny enough, it got really close this morning and it turned red for the day. So watch that. Can you take a look at fun? It's a hate love thing, yeah. Levels for resistance, absolutely. Everybody has that stock, right? Like for virus, it's Mullen and AMC. So as you can see, I don't need to do any lines on fun because we've done these lines so many times already in the past, right? They just stay there. So that's a really nice looking chart for fun, though, isn't it? That's a really nice looking chart. What did you get in at levels of resistance and support? Yeah. So your next major level of resistance is $10.50. Right. That's your next major level for resistance. Some of these lines will no longer be relevant, just because they've done a split, right? And then you have 1150, and then all the way to 13. But for now, so 1050 is your next level to watch. Yeah. Congratulations. Well done. I'm not sure again if you have a stop loss, but you should have one. Alrighty, please and thank you. And then in terms of support here, I'd be looking for the bottom of this, right? Or I'd be looking for the bottom of that supply zone there. So closer to $8.50. That would be your more reliable next level of support for fun. But really good run though. Congratulations. Alrighty. You took $400 already in profits. Congratulations. Well done. GNPX seems to be stalling below $4 here. $4. SGMO still looks really good, doesn't it? Not bad at all. 53%. Not bad at all. APVO, yeah. Not bad at all. ENSC still looks like it's testing that demand zone there, but let's see if we can start to curl because it's really not giving us that curl, and it's I wonder if the top gainer curse is back, but it's gonna need to give us something here. Alrighty. If not, well, then just drop all the way. I don't know if we're gonna drop to the level that I want though. I don't think we're gonna get that drop to the level that I want. But and then yeah, so again, GNPX is stalling, $3.90 to $4. Okay, good. Good. You're very welcome. Random, you entered IVP yesterday. Did you take monies this morning? Because that thing did really well in pre-market, and then got destroyed. So I hope you locked in some gains. You've been holding this thing. Oh wow. Well, I mean, the you don't let this thing go to the abyss again just because you're trying to get back to break even, though, right, William? Because that's 200%, 300% yesterday, and then another 250 today. So don't let it go to the abyss because you're waiting to get back to break even. Because this thing was at 20 something cents, 30 cents, right? 40 cents. Like from 40 cents to where you're at now, it's a miracle, right? It's very rare that stuff like that happens. Oh my goodness, look at this. Of course we missed it. I'm kind. Are you kidding me? Really? Dang it! It actually dropped to the level I wanted. 47 cents. 47 cents. Are you kidding me? Really? I wasn't paying attention to that trade. Yeah. Anyways, well, that's one we missed for sure. For sure, that thing just left us in the dust. My goodness. Anyways, anyways, that was a nice little liquidity candle too there though. You did? Damn it, Grim. Damn it. I know I wasn't paying attention. I was not paying attention at all. You nearly sent it? Yeah, I know. Funny how we just said, like, I don't know if we're going to get that level. The very last candle gave us exactly what we wanted. I just went to look at another chart and then came back, boom, skis. That was quick. That would have been a nice quick trade to the supply zone and done with it, you know? It's all right, Grim says. I grabbed it at your level. Let's go. Yeah, that was a really good touch. So now let's see if we can break about 65 though and actually hold above it, or just again get higher lows and then we can look for brand new positions. There goes a sell off on GNPX, right? T Rexing. This is what you call the T Rex, right? Stall, 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 T Rex. So watch 330 that there next for your next support. Cool, cool. This is NITO by the way. So NITO held above 28 cents. It looks like, yeah, 28, 28 cents. Oof, Chase monies. You guys all got it except for me. Oh my goodness, I'm striking, guys. I'm striking. Wait, can I speak to the manager, please? I want to speak to the manager. This is unacceptable. How come everybody got it except for me? Yeah, that thing got slapped a little bit, but again, resistance being formed. Well done, Chase. Good monies. Good monies. Uh, let's go. Yeah, the only obstacle now is all of this resistance, right, from pre-market. It made brand new highs on that last candle. It just George, you too. Oh my goodness. If you're holding ENSC, type in yes in the chat. If you're holding ENSC, type in yes in the chat. I know, right, Grim? Yeah. I was ready to do a signal as well, you know? I know. I wasn't greedy. I wanted 47, but I wasn't paying attention. That's all. Unbelievable. You're too greedy. No, I actually just wanted 47. That's it. So, anyways, it really is a distraction, honestly. It really is a distraction. This is not the first time it's gonna happen. This is not the last time it's gonna happen. Where like I want to do something, but then is asking a question, and I go look for a second, I come back, gone skis. Gone skis. I yeah. Anyways, this looks good though. This looks good. I would like for that thing to break about 65 and just consolidate above. So then this doesn't become a double top. So if you got in at the bottom, please just be mindful, right? Make sure you have a stop loss just in case this stupid stock wants to create a double top here, which it looks like it is already. But hoping that like you can get one crazy candle, just destroy this whole red zone, and then we push for 70 cents, right? Thank you, Archer. Thank you. Let's go. If you guys win, I win. So absolutely, I wanted to squeeze. Manifest, what's your position in ATNF? Let me know. If you have a question, guys, just give me some details and I'll take a look. Please and thank you. NITO is feeling the low supply. Yeah. SGMO, Justin, 145-ish resistance. Come on, just go already. Like, just pump it. 62. Again, you can see, even though I keep saying 65, 65, 65, you can see that that line is a little bit lower, right? That little white line we put there in pre-market, I will always say like the nearest round number, right? Even if it's not 65 cents, like that resistance, 63 cents, I'm still gonna say 65 cents just because. But the line is somewhere else. Alrighty, so just be mindful. So if you're taking profits at resistance, nothing wrong with that, right? At the very least, though, you should put a stop loss just in case we want to sell off, right? There's nothing wrong with seeing a red zone, a double top, and saying, "Oh, let me take some monies off the table," right? Nothing wrong at all. Alrighty, manifest. I'll take a look in a second. I just want to see what happens here. GNPX really got slapped, right? Crazy stonk. Come on now, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. Here we go, 62.50. Keep going. Keep 66, 63, 64. Going once. Come on now. Destroy it. 64. Going twice. There we go, guys. Woo, 67. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. There goes 6660. There goes 67, 68. That 47 was beautiful, by the way. Congratulations if you got it. That was beautiful. Right? Again, like I said, there's nothing wrong with selling at resistance. At the very least, though, make sure you have a stop loss and you can move it up. Right? At the very, very least, you have a stop loss and you move it up. Right? You're not just sitting there and saying, "Oh, but." I mean, Jamie, you can see us talking about ENSC, right? You see us. We're talking about the stocks we're looking to buy and watching, right? So ENSC has been number one along with GNPX, but GNPX sold off, so that volume came all the way to ENSC, right? I'm not mad at exactly Chase. Absolutely, you made $4,000, right? So a lot of people will go to work for this entire week. We'll make that, right? For 2 weeks, we'll make that. For 3 weeks, we'll make that, right? You made that in less than 5 minutes. So yeah. Alrighty. Well done. Well done. Well done. Yeah, it's retesting that 145 again, Justin. SGMO highs of the day. Highs. There goes 69, guys, for ENSC here. 69. 69. There we go. 70 cents, guys. 72 cents. Oh my goodness. Woof. Look at that, guys. Again, don't forget to pay yourself on the way up, please. Right? Don't forget to pay yourself on the way up. Woof. 75s. My goodness. If you're still holding this, type in yes in the chat. 66, George? Okay, there you go. If you're still in this, or if you made money in this stock, type in yes in the chat. Should really fly now? No, so that level would have been a 65, right? You only say that when a level of resistance is broken. So that resistance was 65. So then after that, then yes. Alrighty? But you don't want to say stuff like that when it's having a run like that. Because then you're going to end up getting in trouble. Yeah. Uh, there we go. There we go. 75 cents. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, that's 72. Well done, Justin. Well done. So it's above 75 cents that stocks start getting halted. Wait. 47 to 71, it stopped you out at 71? That's not too bad though, Grim. Not bad at all. Losing between yesterday and today. 75 back. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, make that money back, Chase. Make the monies back, please, and thank you. Yeah, so again, make sure you're moving your stop losses higher and taking profits on the way up. Alrighty, really good run. That was beautiful, by the way. See, I like again. When I look for entries, I give you guys a little bit of a secret, right? So when I look for entries, I always look for three things, right? So um, I don't want to give away too many secrets, you know. Um, but so we refer to this as confluence, right? So whenever I look for an entry, I'm looking for three things that point me in the right direction. You know how people say, oh, like the RSI is at this price, or you know, this is you look for three things, right? So in this case, we had a line at support, right, at 47 cents, right? We have the 200 EMA at 47 cents. What else do we have at 47 cents, guys? Somebody tell me. What else do we have at 47 cents? What else do we have? So we have the 200 EMA, your most reliable moving average on the chart, right? We have a line of support, a double bottom, right? So again, if you look to the left, that's a double bottom of 47 cents, right? What else do we have at 47 cents? Somebody complete it. Somebody complete it. Complete it. Shankar, different word. Nobody? Fine. Okay. Nobody's interested in secrets there. So yeah, looks like we're failing at 75 cents for now. So good job on the profit there, Grim. Good job, good job, good job. La 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 la. Oh, yeah. The demand zone is so yeah. The demand zone is what I'm looking for, right? You guys see that demand zone? So the green zone, right? From right there all the way to the left hand side, that green zone, the green zone, right? From there all the way to the right. Yeah, exactly. So the demand zone. So that completes your three-step process, right? So you guys don't want to see my notes. You guys don't want to see my trading rules, right? So when people complain to me about like, hey, like, my emotions always get the best of me. My emotions always get the best of me. My emotions always get the best of me. The only way you can ever get away from your emotions is by writing down your damn rules, right? So I mean, you guys, like, we talk about this quite a lot on one-on-ones, especially how you wanna trade like a robot, right? You want to trade like a robot. You want to trade like a robot. You know, like, oh, you know, the only way you work around that is, again, your mindset. Your mind is the complete opposite of what you need to do to be successful when it comes to trading, right? So you almost need to rewire that. You need to leave your mind in bed when you wake up in the morning and you're about to do trades. Leave your mind in bed. You can't sit here and say, oh, but like the shorts have to cover, right? But the cost to borrow is this amazing. But last time I saw this stock, my grandma was baking cookies in the kitchen, right? There were chocolate chip cookies, and then the stock went up 1,000%. I think it's gonna do it again, right? Oh my goodness! But Grim bought like 10 million shares. That means it has to squeeze, right? But what happens when virus wakes up in the morning and he's thrusting, and then it has to go boom, right? No, leave your mind at the door and then follow your rules. Follow the rules. Follow the rules, right? The only way you work around your mind is if you have a process to follow. If you have a process to follow, your mind will say, oh, this idiot doesn't listen to me anymore. Last time I told him the shorts had to cover, he didn't listen to me. And guess what? He made money. You know what? Let me start listening to him this time, you know? That's how it works. Yeah? Yeah. Because your mind is your biggest enemy when it comes to trades. Anyways, Eken, welcome to the community. Welcome to Discord. I'm gonna send you. Let me know. Type in yes if you're in the chat, and I'll send you a link. If not, just go to the community tab. Exactly, Grim. Exactly. Rob said, write this down and save as a part of invaluable. Let's go, Rob. The new liquidity indicator on the algo is fire. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Uh, exactly, Grim. Right? We talked about 47 this morning, right? For levels. So yeah. So let's see if we can keep following these levels on ENSC. right? Apparently, you hate monies. Again, if you're struggling, become a gold member, right? These are just a few of the things we talk about on one-on-ones. Like you guys have no idea, right? We can talk on stream all day, and it doesn't cover like 2% of what we talk about on one-on-ones, right? Because it's a lot more structured and like very precise in terms of like what we want you to do. You know? Yeah. Anyways, Aiken again, welcome to the community. Alrighty. There's an invite link for you in the community section, and if you're in the chat, just let me know, and I'll send you a link in the chat. Alrighty. Welcome. Andre, yeah, demand zones. You're here. Okay, let me send you an invite link then. Alrighty. Send you an invite link. So click the link and then follow the steps in the getting started channel. Aiken. Uh, okay, Dan is. Oh, let me take a look at the futures channel. Futures. La. Sell side liquidity. Interesting. So my take profit 30 minutes. Okay. That's a nice trade, Dan. That is a very nice scalp. Very, very nice. Good morning, Jay. You're back in at 60? Okay, let's see if we can stay above 50, 60. Alrighty. GNPX looks like it's bouncing up $3 for now. 330 is your next resistance. PBM never did anything. NITO, meh. Right, sold out back to the abyss. HYZN, meh. Right, SGMO stalled at 145 psychological level. Hello, Nas. And then fun has been doing well. PHUN, fun. Anyway, so yeah, that looks good. It looks good. That daily chart looks amazing for fun, by the way. I think we said your next resistance was what 11, so 1050 and then 11 something. Anyways, it looks good. So congratulations if you're in fun because you're having fun. Having fun. CYCC is popping there. Nice. CYCC. Not bad at all. The Trump stock, NISI, $33. Nice. Very, very nice. I'm just waiting for the election to be over so I can buy puts, Pop and then crash. Fun is pumping there. Wow. Sheesh, almost at $11. I don't know, Eric. I don't know. Maybe Wolf, like WOLF Wolf and Howl maybe. Yeah, probably. $11, guys. ENSC bouncing off that last known support, right? So there it is. So we came back down to touch one of these lines. This is like one of those lines that virus does things on. You know. Anyways, yeah, it's bouncing off that line for now. CYCC, a bit of a drop there, and then Fun broke above $11. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. CYCC. Sheesh, fun. Cooking funds. Okay, there we go. Is that a bit? No. Let's see if we can get a curl here for ENSC. ENSC. Is it still going up, Iris? Again, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. Smash a like, right? So hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat. ENSC is doing exactly what it's supposed to be doing, right? Retesting these breakout zones and bouncing, so that's good. Let's see if we can get back about 65 again, right? And go from there. So good little bouncy bounce. Close to 190 now. My goodness. You know what's interesting is the S&P is doing the complete opposite. So tech stocks are on fire lately. Thanks. Yeah, like, almost like they're just taking turns. You know, they go 65 cents. Uh, Eric, maybe. And then fund just hit brand new highs. So we finally made it to that 1150 resistance, right? So that first resistance we mentioned in the chat. Who was asking about fund? You got in at $8, $7 or something like that. Congratulations. So we broke above that 1050 and then all the way to 1150, right? Then the next level after that was all the way to $13 or something like that. Something ridiculous. But yeah, something ridiculous. Anyway, so yeah, fund looks good. ENSC looks good. Is SPY going boom? SPY. SPY with a bit of a pop. Highs of the day. Yeah. SPY. SPY's done a good job holding 580. Yeah. Okay, let's go back to ENSC here. 67 cents, guys. Anybody buy the dip on this one? Ooh, 68. Anybody buy the dip skis? Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, I see. Okay, there you go, 68. You got in at 64? Okay. Yeah, make sure you're ready to run them. Because your entry is a bit your entry is a bit high, right? So make sure you're again last in, first out, right? So just be ready. Just be ready. 67. Come on now. Spy dailies. Okay. Raven. 69. There you go. Jack of all trades. There you go. Right. Again, be ready to exit the building. 1 foot out the door. 69. Perfect. This one looks like it's kind of curling. Justin, are you still in SGMO? You might get that one for that 145 again. The S&P is looking for 582. 582. Wonder if this becomes a bit of a double bottom. See, this would be a trade that I would be open to potentially taking. Except we're below. Like it just looks like it's been giving us lower highs for GNPX, right? But we shall see. Let's see if we get a bit of volume there. Fun is on fire. My goodness, just absolutely crushing it. Woof. Maybe we really are going to that $13, huh? If you're holding fun, type in yes in the chat. It's always a bit annoying though when a stock is this expensive because it's you took another $200. Yeah, you are holding. Let's go. Congratulations. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. I'm also happy though that you are like taking profits on the way up, Chris. Well done. Yeah. Fair mixture? Not too much. The only thing you're missing for now, the only two things you're missing potentially, ENSC and then PHUN, right? GNPX is still trying to hold $3. Great support at $3. CYCC looks like it's slowly creeping towards the top. So watch $2 for resistance. SGMO is back to 145 again, Justin. Um, I don't know if you're still playing with this thing, but yeah, it's a 145-ish resistance. And then there goes a breakout for YCC. Yep, Gonskis. Oof, my goodness, that thing said bye bye. Martin, of course you're in fun. You love fun. It takes you back to back to the old days. ENSC is also back to 70 cents, guys. So that thing is behaving really well in terms of like retesting the levels and bouncing. So that's good. Actually pushed to 72. Jack, are you still in this trade or you out of it? Let's go, Ronell. How are you? So good push on this one. Yeah. 72. Ooh, looking good. Looking good. I don't know if, yeah, no, that level should be left there still. You took profits? Okay. Yeah. $73 pennies. 73 pennies. Maybe this is the one that's going to give us 500% today, right? Uh, in my absence, Ronell, Ronell. Welcome back, though. Welcome back. So that kind of looks like a double top for now at 74, 75 cents, though, doesn't it? Right? For ENSC. So that's a pretty nasty drop, actually. That's a nasty drop. So again, double top supply zone, right? And then backed off. So let's see if we can. I mean, it actually came all the way back down again to that same level. So 58 cents, right? Let's see if we can stay about 58 cents again. And maybe this time it's a double bottom. Let's see. SGMO still failing at the double top, 145. PHUN with a pretty impressive run, right? Retesting the 9. And then GNPX is still just playing with that demand, with that double bottom demand zone. So let's see what it ends up doing here. Right? Right. Maybe it just needs more consolidation. Anyways, brand new highs of the day on for CYCC. uh, I thought Dan was giving me a compliment. I was like, yeah, you know what? Yeah, Master Chef. But no. There was a roast right behind it. Yeah, CYCC is cooking. Anybody FOMO into CYCC, guys? Anybody FOMO into this one? uh, Unbelievable. There goes GNPX with the pop, right? So it looks like GNPX really is giving us a double bottom there. That double bottom is also coming with the retest of the 200 at 330, though. So again, we mentioned $3 as being okay, right? As a potential double bottom. The only problem that I'm having with this thing is sometimes when you sell off this much, you obstacles all over the place. You know what I mean? Like once you start crossing below all these moving averages, you find resistance like at every level. So stuff like this you want to be careful with. For now, $3 for support. There goes another bounce, guys. Look at that beautiful bounce for ENSC, right? Exact same bounce, right? This little virus line at the bottom here at 58 cents, holding like a gem, right? 58 double bottom popsies. Right, make sure you're paying yourself on the way up because it kind of looks like we're creating lower highs now and creating a downtrend as well. Make sure you're paying yourself on the way up. Because if we break below 58 cents, that virus line will overdose. Good morning, Didi. Ayo, ayo, ayo. Don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet, click this link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot, and come join us in Discord. Alrighty, come join us. CYCC looks like it got slapped in the supply zone, right? So that thing ran from a dollar fifty this morning, all the way to $2.50. So not a bad run. GNPX is still trying to decide what it wants to do. It's slowly creeping up actually. Not bad, not bad. Again, I just don't like that it's sitting below all of it, but it's trying. The S&P is meh, doing okay, right? And there goes GNPX, fighting, fighting. VRO is running, no volume. So is uh uh yeah, let me take a look at this one too. Here comes $12, guys. New highs of the day for fun. New highs of the day for fun. GNPX is looking a little bit more promising. Same resistance at $3.30. This one had a bit of a pop. I just want to see what it looks like. Uh, a bit of, oh, that's a lot of unusual volume. My goodness. Yeah, the float is not as nice though, is it? The float is not as nice. Uh, let's see. Hmm. Okay. To go to the abyss. Maybe today it's gonna run then since you want it. Oh, that $13 is coming, guys, for fun. Oh my goodness. That $13 is coming. Ooh, fun is cooking. Uh let's go. Grim, you're looking for 170s? Okay. 170. That thing has a crazy amount of unusual volume, Grim. A crazy amount of unusual volume on it. Yeah, average volume. 72,000. Shish. Today's volume 1.26 million. See, equally as confusing, like why it hasn't popped a bit more, but ENSC, yeah. Look at GNPX, right? We basically just came back to the bottom of the range again. Is there a video in explaining floats? There should be somewhere, but I think we just did it as a group Q&A. Um, so you might not be able to. So if you go into Discord, actually for us, right? If anybody has a question, go into Discord. There's a channel called HTGPT, right on the stock info. Like ask it a question about float. It's gonna give you like everything possible about the float. Everything possible about the float. Alrighty. Oh my goodness, guys, look at that. Oh my days, it's already going, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So yeah, let's see. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Exactly, Yogi. So that's why we brought like GPT, because it brings all of that to Discord. But yeah, so again, for us, go ask it about the float HTGPT in Discord, basically Chat GPT hot trade style, already. So uh, Graham says it could have been me. It could have been me. So yeah, again, if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat and come join us. Already, already. ENSC still looks okay. Uh, IPO, $4 IPO. Okay, $4. Yeah, let's see if we get another dip to that demand zone. Because, anyways, there goes ENSC again with a nice little pop. Uh, Here we go. We're back to 70, guys. 70 cents. Beautiful. Yeah. Why? There we go. Fun, fun, fun. Nope, that thing said, thanks, guys, to the abyss. That's the problem, right? You found it? HCGPT? Yeah. So you can ask any questions, any question in that channel, and it's gonna help you out. Alrighty. Any questions at all in HCGPT? As long as you're not asking for like life information, like okay, what do I do with the stock now? It's not gonna help you with stuff like that. But if you're like, what is a float of a stock? What's the difference? It's going to give you all of it, right? So when putting a stop loss, what should I think about? Like what can you summarize? Like can you summarize one of these books for me? These trading books for me? It's going to summarize the book for you. Like you can ask it all the complex questions you want to ask. Yeah, Troy. Yeah, is that the one you just mentioned? Hoo hoo. Huhu's is a bit of a funny name for a stock, isn't it? Huhu. Yeah. $4 IPO. Needs to hold $4 a bit more. Made $4 on the way to ice cream. Soda 23. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Uh, yeah. ENSC is still stalling at 70-ish, isn't it? So you can see that supply zone now. Yeah, yeah. China IPO. China. Yeah, but anyways, it's halted up, so we'll see what happens there. Finally, let's go, Grim. Yeah, sometimes it takes a bit, the stock has to move a little bit for those options to catch up. Finally, come on, break 70 cents, you slacker. But when you see levels like this, though, you wanna have a really good plan for your position. Really good plan. Alrighty, because these are the type of levels where you get the big red candles or big green candles. Righty, so almost at three more likes, guys. Let's get to 100 likes. Three more people smash a like. Let's get to 100. Alrighty. Again, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. Uh, love it, Grim. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Love it, love it, love it. Yeah, so it's selling off into that 170 range there, Grim. Might actually be interesting. There you go. 170. Yeah, yeah. It would have been way nicer if this thing was closer to the 50, like that 200 EMA closer to $1.50, but don't think it's gonna get there though. We'll see. Fun with the retest of that nice little pink line at 1140 and a bounce. ENSC, 70 cents. Yeah. HTMO. Yeah, it's trying to again, isn't it? So this is the third time now. You can see how well it's holding the 50 EMA though, right? Again, this is another beautiful reason why we have moving averages on charts, guys. Another beautiful reason why we do that. Because you can look at this and you see that little gold line at the bottom. It bounced once, it bounced twice, and the third time. So when you see that happening more often than not, you can start to look at this chart and say, okay, only on this chart I can use that. Um, really like the need to be almost not just for stocks, absolutely random stuff. Yeah. People use it in Discord for I think someone used it once for like their business, right? Like I need to write up a new agreement for this business. Can you give me a new agreement? Uh, I want to make $1 million. Can you come give me a plan? Yeah. So yeah, we just need to get back above 70 and actually consolidate above 70. I think ChatGPT's Ben is better, right? Gemini is just like isn't that like the Google version? I think ChatGPT is better than Gemini. But then again, I've never used Gemini. Yeah. You love being a Democrat and making money off a Trump stock? Make as long as you're making money. Make monies. Make monies, please. Make monies, please. La, 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 la. Rob, are you in the chat? I'll tag you in the class. Yeah, I still need to come up with the calendar for classes. So as long as you guys keep dropping those recommendations in the group class, we'll eventually. I've been slacking because I kind of need to slack, especially on the weekends. To slack and recover more. But yeah. Resistance for ENSC, lots and lots of resistance. Eric, what's your position in that play? Let me know. Let me know. Let's see what Fun is doing. Yeah, it looks like Fun is still holding 1140. 1140. Interesting. Scam GPT? No, I think ChatGPT is But it depends what you're getting out of it. I think it saves you a lot of time, a lot of time. I wish I could just pull it up from Discord and show you guys, but that's too much work for me. And but yeah, I think like society always moves in the direction of like ease, right? We always want to do the easiest things, the fastest. So that's never. We're always going to keep moving in that direction. Let's go. Let's go. Well done, Sky. Sky says best day of trading of the year for me. Let's go. Well done. Well done. Well done. Congratulations. Love it. Best day of trading of the year. Sheesh. Love it. Love it. Love it. There we go. We're finally back above 70 cents. Can we now go back to 75, please? And break above that previous high? 250%. Can we make it 500%? Yeah. Yeah. Zero shares to short, Martin. Really not my business. I don't really care if like the zero shares to short. Uh, there we go. 74. Beautiful. See if we can get back to the top there. 75. Here we go. Okay, maybe we need to ask for more. Like 80 cents, right? Because we asked for 75, we got 75. Can we now go to 80 cents? 75. So this kind of looks like, again, it's the same resistance. It's you can call it a double top, a triple top, whatever you want to call it. Still resistance. So now let's clear this level and make brand new highs for the day, please. 80 cents. Give us 80. Uh, I still need a. I need to get my sell price. The hit. Not okay. Random stuff. Yeah, yeah, yeah. When's your one-on-one? Rookie mistakes. Yeah. There we go, guys. There we go. We made it to 78, 79. Boom skis. Boom skis. That was a pretty nice pop. 200, almost 300, 280%. Yeah, we actually tapped 80 cents exactly. Ooh, we are getting what we want today, guys. Okay, what did we ask for next? $1? Uh, yeah, sounds good, Yogi. INDP is doing exactly what it needs to do between like 180 170, right? 180 170. So yeah. Had it last week. I need to reschedule another one. Okay, sounds good. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, I had to reschedule a few because ask for $5. Grim? Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I want to see if one of these candles can close above. If we can find a way to close above that 75, 76, then I think we're. I'm not sure why I put this line here though. Once we actually close above 75, 76, then I'll zoom out and look, see why we have that line there. Okay. $5, Grim. INDP, guys, is just, again, it's like I said, it's doing exactly what it needs to do. Grim posted those levels in Discord, right? So between 180 170 for now, it's holding those two. If we can stay above that, then that's fine, right? If we don't, then we might need to look for closer to $1.50 for new entries. But for now, it's doing what it needs to do, right? INDP, NDP. We should be on labeling your drawings. I know. Yeah, no, you put lines and all this rubbish, and then you just forget. And also, it's sometimes nice, Sometimes nice. Okay, let's see. Uh, yeah, I think I'm gonna work on a calendar today on for group classes. So if there's anything you want to do for a group class, make sure you go into the yeah, I need to think of the dates too. Make sure you go into the group class channel and schedule one, please. So you can see how we're not quite closing above that double top yet, right? So that's kind of what I'm waiting for if we want to push more. This stock is again. This was the brand new IPO. The candles seem a little bit wild, but candles seem a bit wild. With the date implemented, usually a ray of instead of a line. That's a good idea. I should do that. I should do it. Will I do it though? Okay. Let's see. Uh, so type in yes in the chat if you're already in INDP. Type in yes if you are already. Grim is already in sights. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Uh, but anybody else? Raven? Oh yeah, Raven got it. Yeah, the criminals. Yogi? The criminals. My point exactly. Bradley, yes. Okay. Okay. Yeah, let's see what that thing does, right? It still seems to be consolidating between like that 170, 180, and then go from there. Alrighty. Seems to be going back and forth for now. It might be one of those things again. That was meant to be a swing play, so it might be one of those things where like we kind of go sideways all day, and then the night criminals come out. Like China wakes up, and Grim goes to bed and wakes up. The Australians. Anyways, and then crazy things happen. You know. So we shall see. Yeah, HGMO could not break out. My goodness, so much resistance at 145. Grim, yeah. Yeah. Yes. So PHUN has done a beautiful job holding the bottom of the range. So, which is good. Right? Bitcoin. Yeah, good curl. Very, very good curl. The Rob take me something. Yeah, it does. There's a little bit of resistance at right above $12, but yeah, it does, Chris. There goes your pop. Yeah, there goes. There goes the pop. And honestly, maybe we do the calls like on weekdays after the market closes, and we record the calls. Uh, so then so then we can all rest on the weekend. So then we can all rest on the weekend, and if you miss it, it's going to be recorded anyways, and you can just rewatch it. It's going to be for these classes are always for legends and goats only, though. Alrighty, legends and goats. So yeah, yeah. I'll as soon as when I get a second today, I'll kind of set up a bit of a thing. Uh, Tuesday, Wednesday. Uh, Perfect. Oh yeah, here we go again. Here we go again, Roger. Yeah, we made brand new highs as I was looking away. Yeah, 82 almost. ENSC. So we're still playing with that previous breakout zone. So close above and then let's zoom out, please. You know what? I'm gonna do that right now. I just want to see what the where that top line and that supply zone is coming from. Oh yeah, there it is. That's why, right? Sometimes it's so easy to just zoom out and see it, guys. Right? We zoom out in 2 seconds, we can tell already, right? That oh yeah. That's where it's coming from, right? The last time this thing ran, it failed at 80, like right above 82 cents, between 81 and 82, right? So look at that last run, right? This run was August 27, right? Obviously not quite as low. This time we went from like 15 cents all the way to 80 cents, but just be mindful, right? So that 82 cents is a bit of a problem. Just be mindful, please, and thank you. Right? That's why you want to zoom out really quickly sometimes, and just so you're aware of where these lines are coming from, and then you can zoom back in and see what it looks like. Uh, yeah, DD. Okay, good, good. Yeah, no, it's good. Good, you made the money back. Good, you made the monies back. Trey, yes. uh, Troy's funny. So again, if there's something that you kind of need help with, make sure you go into the it's called so under the education section, it's called group class request, right? So if there's anything you want to cover as a group class, just go ahead and type in that channel, and then we will eventually get to it. Ready? Deal? Handshake, guys. Handshake. Handshake. So we're gonna start off with the algo because we just didn't because there's an update on the algo, and then and we could do options, we can do technical analysis, then we could do stuff like that. La 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 la. Yeah, so the what so what I usually recommend you do in like areas like this is when you zoom out to look at the daily, right? You want to look at that daily and say, okay, there's clearly resistance here, right? So we've failed at this level in the past. When we get to a major resistance like that from a bigger time frame, what you want to be doing is, well, first of all, like I don't want to be getting in around this price, right? Because we failed here in the past. If I am in a position, this is where, like, if I don't have a stop loss, right, I'm setting a stop loss immediately, right, just so I know that, okay, if some crazy thing happens here, right, if we're about to go to the abyss, my stop loss needs to execute, right? If I am in a position and my position is big enough, I should be taking some profits off the table at major resistance anyways, right? I take some profits off the table, I put a stop loss in the rest, I hope we explode, right? So you're not exactly making like any crazy decisions. You're just saying, okay, like I'm not gonna buy at this level, obviously, right? Because we crashed here in the past. Not gonna be buying, right? If we can break above that level and consolidate, then yes. But at the same time, I need to make sure that I'm very aware and like cautious at that zone. Guide me, please, to get into Discord. I sent you a video, BH, right? So I sent you a video, and you are connected to Discord. Like your Discord is connected. You did it already, right? So if I go to if I your Discord is connected already, because you joined yesterday, right? So I can see your name is BHG, right? So you connected already. Yeah, you connected already. You just have to watch the. You just have to go through the channels now. Is what you have to do, right? I'm gonna tag you in Stock General. So BHG. So I'm gonna tag you, right, in that channel so you can see where everybody is hanging out at. So, yeah, because I know you followed the steps already and you connected. You just don't know where to go yet, right? So just look at all the channels, please. Right, INDP is looking good still, guys. Right, so if you got in, you should be green on this play. Right, we came down to $1.80, $1.70 ish zones already, and as a swing play or as a whatever play you want to, however you want to manage this, right? Yeah, you should be green, right? So Grim is smiling like a goat still. You can but anyway, so see what we mean though, right, guys? When you zoom out on the daily time frame, you just want to look at history, right? Because again, anytime this thing got close to 82 cents, guess what happened? Right? Slap. So you should not be buying the stock at that price anyways. You should be thinking about taking profits. At the very least, put a stop loss. Because now we're back to 70 cents, right? I can't seem to find the Discord link on YouTube membership. It's because you're on a free membership, probably. If you're on the free membership, you don't get access to see the link. Big smile, Grim. Can you break above $2 already? And then the smile will get even bigger. uh, my screen's a close position. What a rescue! Oh my goodness, Nitro. Woo. That is a really good rescue, you know. The close position at a loss. Damn. 310. Oh wow, that is a nice bounce actually. Well done. You got in at 280. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. I like it. This thing came all the way back down to all the way back down. The village is hidden. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Again, just ZUP, just upgrade your membership. Come join us in Discord. Leave Martin alone. Martin doesn't want to join us, you know. Martin loves those free memberships. Yeah, and NDRA looks good. It's a nice push. Yeah, look at that sell-off, right, guys? Again, are we surprised that it's failing a resistance? You should not be surprised that it's failing a resistance. please and thank you. Right? Again, we zoom out so we can understand what's happened in the past and see if it can happen again. Right? So for now, not sure if that's going to be the. Not sure if we've seen the top. I hope not, but hope obviously is not a strategy, right? So, uh, uh, oh, you think, oh, BHG, you think it's somebody else? Oh, okay. BH, guide me to get into Discord, please. Maybe that's somebody else then. What membership do you have, BH? Let me know. So yeah, let's see if this thing can maybe bounce up like 65 cents and then go again. Alrighty? Cool, cool, cool. Martin, now you're asking Grim to give away free memberships. Um, yeah, unbelievable. Seaweed, good stuff for ENSC. I have no idea what you got in at in the first place. You're gonna have to give me more details. Yeah, let's see if we can stay about 65 cents. Pablo, there's only 8 games played, you know. Only 8 games played. There's always a chance, Pablo. Only 50 points ahead, you know. Only 50 points ahead. It only takes, 2 good weeks and then boom skis. Don't you worry, Pablo. Don't you worry. When I catch you, uh, 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 nice up. Yeah, yeah. So for now, I wouldn't completely count it out until we're actually getting like lower highs and lower lows. Right. So yeah, and that's why I keep saying 65, 65. Right. So if we can stay above that, then ENSC is fine. So you never count a stock after the first sell off, right? You can't even upgrade your membership. Well, so this is the way you upgrade your membership. I'll show you how to upgrade you to membership right there. And if it's not working on the computer, try your phone. So this is how you upgrade. Alrighty, this is how you upgrade your membership. I'm also gonna post the link in the chat here. So if you want to click on the link, yeah. BH, are you good to go? Let me know. Let's go, like Aussie. Plus more. Yeah, come join us. Stop missing out on the monies. As well, pretty please. Martin is asking, Raven is asking. Ah, funny. Yeah, hopefully that helps. Alrighty, so um, yeah, yeah. Australia. Okay, let me pull up the other one. So NDRA cooking, right? Again, this one's been getting spammed in Discord left and right, so it does look really good. Highs of the day, 115%. The closer you get to 50 cents, you want to be careful, please. 50 cents, 50 cents. Be careful. Uh, Yeah, look at ENSC getting slapped. Oof, my goodness. That was a perfect double top. That was a perfect double top from the daily. My goodness. Let me take a look at this one. See what the daily looks like on it. Unusual volume. Unusual volume. That one has a bit of unusual volume. Um, Ty says, "I'm so proud of myself. I didn't trade scared. Finally, read a spy chart on the 5 minute identifier at Tuesday top. Made $37 in 10 minutes. I knew. Let's go. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Wait. Yeah, baby steps, right? Baby steps. I just see sold out. No option to select anything else. Yeah, you're gonna have to scroll down, right? Just scroll down. ZU. I tried on a PC and on your phone. Yeah, just scroll down a little bit. So like the sold out are the first three ones. If you scroll down, it's gonna give you the other option to change your level. Alrighty? Yeah, try in your yeah. I'll send. There's also a video in terms of like that shows you how to upgrade. There's a video at the there's a video right there. That YouTube video shows you how to upgrade. Looks like we're bouncing off this the next white line here. Yes, 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 yes. Looks like we're bouncing off the white line there. That thing just wanted to go to the white line. Of course. Why not? Inspired by a virus, you know? Yeah, it should let you change your level. Zippo. Zupo should let you. I'm so proud of you. You have improved your music. uh, well, thank you, Trisha. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Knowing someone in Australia, that makes it even more enticing. Yes, I agree. I agree. Yes, yes, yes. Now here comes Dan Nitro. Dan is gonna say something about the music. The thrust beats. The thrust beats are always ALLR with a bit of a pop. ALLR. And INDP still looking good. So that means Grim can keep that smile, you know? uh, it's just missing for me. Hmm. Here we go, guys. Here we go. We just broke above $2 for INDP. Ooh wee. There we go. Keep cooking. We failed at this level right below 205 quite a bit though. So 205, 210. So let's see if we can break above and keep cooking. This might not be a swing play. This might not be a swing play, you know? This might be buy the hype and sell the news. Alrighty? So Uh, there you go. It's grayed out. So now use a different browser or use your phone or use your computer. Use the opposite device now and go to that exact same spot and you're gonna find it. Dan, let's go, let's go. Come on, Grim, give us the breakout. There goes 39%. Give us the breakouts, please. Give us the breakout. Go, 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 go. Again, if you're holding INDP, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes in the chat if you're holding INDP. There it goes. We're back to the double top, 208. That's the previous high on the left-hand side. So make sure you move your stop losses up. This might not be a swing play anymore. Like buy the hype, sell the news. Grim, can you remind us in the chat when when the conference is at again? Right? If people are buying this thing into the conference, into them speaking, it might be buy the hype, sell the news. Right? So make sure you put a stop loss. Make sure you move your stop loss up. There's no need for you to be going from green to red, green to red, green to red because you want to swing something, right? No need for that. Protect your money. Once you make money, it's yours, right? And now you need to protect it. So again, that's a perfect double top at $2.08. Thank you, Grim. So 4:30. So 30 minutes after the close then. Yeah. So for now, still okay. Virus wants to swing it. Well, well, so for now, that's a perfect double top at $2.08. It's going to need to break above at some point Eastern time. Yeah. So yeah, 30 minutes after the market closes. Alrighty. So again, for now, it's still fine. Right? Don't think anybody's overly concerned about this, but just don't like, yeah. If it's pumping before the actual event, remember Dogecoin? Yeah, yeah. Don't get caught with your pants somewhere else. Ty, that's okay, That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Completely okay. Alerts. Okay, sounds good. Nitro. Sounds good. That's good. Yeah. Uh, let's see. That's good. 12. 2024. Next. Yeah, it looks like again ENSC is doing a good job trying to get back to 70. Uh, There we go. That's a nice pop actually. That's a very nice pop. That's a very nice pop. Very, very nice pop. 7160. Oof. Keep cooking, please. Uh, okay. And then Take a screenshot of this one. Uh, uh, I got into. Let me know if I should hold this or sell it off. GNPX. You got in at 366. Dang, that question should have come a lot sooner. By the way, BHG. Yeah, you held too long. You held way too long. If you got into this thing at $3.66, that means you got in somewhere up there. And then you let it break below the 9, the 20, the kernel, the 50, the 200, the VWAP, all of it. You held too long. Yeah. So for now, put a stop loss. Don't be a lower high. I know. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, yeah. So I mean, for now though, the good thing about this stock is if you go all the way to early pre-market, it's been bouncing off the 200 EMA. It's been bouncing off the 200 EMA. So it needs to stay above the 200 EMA, right? So your next level there is around 58.59 cents, right? 58.59 cents. Needs to stay above that. Look at INDP, guys. My goodness, that thing really just double topped and came all the way back to the same 80 range. Oof, right? So looks like some people are setting stop losses, taking. I mean, honestly, you could have sold at a double top and got back in at the exact same price again, right? So that's really wild. So yeah, just going back and forth for now, huh? Just going back and forth for now. Okay. uh, fun. What are we doing here? Fun. What time is it? Okay. GNPX. Yeah, that thing is bouncing up 170 for now, but that looks nasty, right? That position was for sure. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So from three. You want to use stop losses. So for now, it needs to stay above 270. Make sure you use the stop losses. 1 second. uh, let's see. What else do we like here? NDRA coming back for retest. Mm, DBGI. Is it the day? So this 200 for ENSC is going to be your final line in the sand, right? But again, this is why sometimes when you see that there's major resistance on a big time frame, sell the damn thing, right? Because we've gone from 82 cents to 60, 61. That's a pretty big drop, isn't it? Right? Sometimes when you see resistance, don't buy the damn thing, right? Or just take some profits or put a stop loss, right? So again, really important that you use again when you're in something, zoom out really quickly on the daily time frame and say, oh, okay, let me look at the daily chart, right? The last time this thing ran, where did we fail? Exactly at the same level we're failing at today, right? And then you're like, oh, okay. I don't need to buy that thing then, or I need to sell it at that price. Oh, I need to put a stop loss. So for now, though, let's see if we can stay above 58, right? Demand zone 200 support, stay above it, and then there's still hope. There is hope. INDP looks like it's trying to bounce off the exact same stupid level, right? Exact same zone. So we just keep going up and down for now, up and down, and up and down. Uh, oh, perfect. Yeah, yeah. That range Grim posted in Discord, absolutely beautiful, right? 80 to 70. Scalpies in and out. Spy. I love when someone says spy scams because I think spy is pumping. Pumping. Keep going, spy. Actually, that does look like a scam. The way it wicked above and came right back into the same resistance, Troy, looks exactly like a scam. Exactly like a scam. Yeah, everything is red today. NDRA. That thing. Oof! That thing just popped a new highs of the day, guys. NGRA. That's actually a really nice drop and cross back above. Wow, 53 cents. Very nice. Howl is also hitting highs of the day, so maybe Halloween is coming, right? And people are positioning themselves. Yeah, NDR is actually right. Really nice, easy chart to read. If I can learn these things from the Discord, anyone can. Let's go. Let's go, Grim. Let's go. So again, if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat from Nightbot. Come join us in Discord. Hit that subscribe, and don't forget to smash a like, please. Alrighty. We're gonna hop off in like 10 minutes or so, and then go back to Discord. So, SMCI, SMCI, violence. Woof! My goodness, -6%. Wasn't a look at that beautiful resistance, by the way, right? Sometimes when you see stuff stalling like this, resistance. Why did yeah? Is that Jake guy still spamming SMCI? Like, oh my goodness, pump, 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 pump. Sometimes you wonder if these guys look at charts, if they really look at charts, you know? Jake is cool. I think like Jake is one of the better ones of all of them, you know? But sometimes like they're just, stuck on like one thing, like pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it. It's like no, like you get, pretty good call from the bottom, but it's had a good run. And it's sitting here for, if it's gonna sit here at $50 for like 2 weeks, it's resistance. Exactly, virus. Too bullish. Too bullish. Sometimes it just needs to be like it's just obvious, Like look at the daily, and we were looking at the 4 hour yesterday on a one-on-one with right? Like it's just resistance. That thing has 200 on the 4 hour, right? And it's slowly T-rexing and it's slap. I don't Troy, yeah, crazy, crazy for sure. Yep, definitely too bullish. Uh, uh, Perfect. Yeah, SMCI numbers. Yeah, looks like are we holding that demand zone for SENSC? Yeah, 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 yeah. And then NDRA. CGC is popping. I wonder if cannabis is gonna pump into elections. It's been a long time since cannabis had a run, huh? Like a really long time. Uh, Ah. Nobody in the market today is more bullish than Jay. It's probably 600 soon. Oh my goodness. Um, Amanda, Jake is just one of the yeah. And now trading stocks. Yeah. Jake from State Farm. That was a nice drop actually. Jake from State Farm. Yeah, it looks like we're going into lunchtime and everything is super slow. This is usually yeah. I mean, very typical. Is on YouTube? No, I don't think so. We have a Jake in Discord though, Amanda. Yeah. When are you gonna join us in Discord, Amanda? When? When? Will? Yes. Yes. Back into the zone. Now it just needs to consolidate there. You know what? I like how like the longer it stays up there, the better it is because then the 200 actually catches up, which is good. 168. Did you find the Zupo? Did you find the change upgrade on change level on a different device? DBGI. Yeah. Let's go, Jeff. Good morning. Good afternoon. Too busy to trade, but let's. Thank you very much, Jeff. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, DBGI with the pop to the highs of the day. Pop to the highs of the day. You scared that thing, Will. It went back above 180 now. You scared it. You get a little bit unfocused. Yeah, we do have a lot of information. A lot of information. Unscalpable. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Okay. DBGI. 49%. Yeah, that is a good pop. I sometimes don't like when candles are like this though. If you get a big green candle, sometimes it's easy for that thing to erase that same big green candles. But since 37 broke 50-50 easily, let me take a look at that because American gold and silver. That looks really nice, Jeff. Really, really nice. Looks like you're finally approaching the mother of all resistance levels though, right? Between like 55 to 60 cents, it looks like you're finally approaching that level. Let me look at GLD. Like this is the gold ETF. Remember virus when we were talking about this last time? Look at the last drawings we did on this chart. Look at this. My goodness, look at that. This is the last time we talked about this thing. Around like 180. Yeah. Right. They finally destroyed all of this resistance and said, thanks guys. Goodbye. Like gold is just pumping. Now it's at 250. Sheesh. This might be look at that. My goodness. In 2020, let me go back to 2020. Yeah, in 2020, like when when the world was panicking, you know, gold was at 160 and then it just kept cooking. Crazy. This is the inception of this ETF though, from $40. This is what Bitcoin is gonna do, isn't it? These ETFs are gonna go from $40, 200 and something. That would be nice to see. Every time it got to 180, yeah. Good thing you stayed away from it when it broke out. Yeah, silver. Yeah, I'll take a look at silver. Yeah, I mean this kind of matches like the so in the last 5 years, gold is up 80%, right? If you look at the S&P in the last 5 years as well, the S&P is up 93%. You know, so you can do either or, right? So this whole thing that like gold is, but at the same time though we really haven't had like a disaster where because then gold really should like gold really stands down, right? But yeah, so the S&P has outpaced gold in the last 5 years for sure. SLV silver is up 92% as well actually in the last 5 years. Mm. La la la. Um, yeah, I think that's why you see these stocks like LMT. Like these things just never come down. Not sure why it's not showing us a more detailed like chart here. Sheesh. Look at this stock. From $40, $90 in 2019. Is that 2019? It was at 250. Now it's at 580. My goodness, Lockheed Martin. Yeah, sheesh, crazy. People fight and these stocks just cook. Look at this. Like this was this was July 2024. We were looking at this breakout, right? Look, we were looking at this breakout here. Breakout. As soon as that thing broke out from 500, 470, boom, just squeezed. Trying to buy silver price of physical 3 to 5 over spot. Okay. Terrible. Crazy. But yeah, let's see. It is a pretty nice red day for LMT though. So that thing actually came back to retest this little breakout. 580. Hmm. Impressive. NDRA guys is still looking good for anybody that's holding this. 152%. NDRA. Uh, Looking good. So ENSC is still holding the 200. So it looks like we came back and retest and then bounced. So that 200 is like your last line of defense. Last line of defense. Yeah, no, I think if something crazy happened, it depends on the scale of crazy we were talking about. Like if it's crazy enough, nothing is valuable, right? Um, it doesn't matter if you're holding gold, silver, the S&P. It doesn't really matter, right? Straight to the abyss. You're gonna be buying a loaf of bread with a whole bar of gold, But then maybe that's gonna be worth something, I guess. Uh, so, yep. So it really just depends. But now the dollar is collapsing down. The dollar is collapsing, which for the most part, I think that's what most people would expect to happen as the next big thing. Then okay, yes, at least your wife will be exactly, Jeff, right? Then okay, cool. Like the economy, the dollar, right? Then you can look and say, okay, yeah, fine, 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 right? You can look at silver. You can look at. I don't think Bitcoin, as much as we want Bitcoin to be there, I don't think Bitcoin is at the level that you can look at gold and silver and whatnot. It's not there yet, because I think people still consider Bitcoin as like a risk-on asset, right? Over time, though, like again with ETFs and everything else, I think it's just a matter of time before it gets there. But you know, yeah, if people start panicking and stuff starts crashing, people want to buy food. That money is coming out of Bitcoin, coming out of the markets, coming out of not necessarily like gold and stuff like that, but that money is coming. Anyways, we have a new member. Uh, we have a new member, a legend, Russell. Welcome, you legend. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the community. Alrighty. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is your invite link at the bottom of the chat. So click that invite link, Russell, and follow the steps in the Getting Started channel. Alrighty. Yeah. Hello, Russell. Yeah. So Russell, look at that yellow link right a few comments above yours. That's your Discord invite. So click the link. You're just gonna have to follow the steps in the Getting Started channel, and then that will unlock the rest of the channels. In the basement, just in case. Good for 25 years, Dan. Yeah, yeah. They say like every few years, like you know, something crazy happens, right? You never know. And at that point, the most valuable thing is food, right? Food and supplies, not the monies. Nobody cares about money at that point. Are you gonna eat the money? No. Are you gonna eat your retirement? No. Are you gonna eat your long-term investments? No. All to the abyss, right? Remember the last time COVID happened? Oof. I mean, paper towel was gone. Paper towel was gone. Food was gone. Rice was gone. Bread was gone. The shelves were empty. Water, all of it gone. Right? So, well, are you gonna eat gold? Dan is gonna put up a stand. One loaf of breads, $10,000. Yeah, exactly, Troy. Yeah. You're gonna need it, Dan. You're gonna need it at that point. Yeah. Yeah. Conferences today also offering close yesterday. As much as you thought, Raven. Okay. Yeah. So Chips Ahoy and Oreo. Yes, yes, yes. Uh, uh, There we go. Indra, NDR is cooking. It's 59 cents, guys. Oof, that looks nice. That looks very, very nice. So again, congrats if you're playing with this one. Congratulations. Let me see what the daily looks like here again quickly. Uh, okay, there we go. John? Yeah, no, it's done really well. Your next resistance is 60, Johnny. uh, we have a creek behind our house. That's for spring, so we have unlimited H2O supply. Ooh, Dan is ready for chaos, guys. Ready, ready. You know how when you watch some of these disaster movies and they have a location they're traveling to, right? And they're traveling through like miles and miles through the desert to the forest. Blah. We need to get to the safe house. That's Dan's house. So Dan, send me your address when if crazy things happen. Yeah, we're traveling to Dan's house. It's gonna take us 52 days when we get to Dan's house. Yeah, Troy, that's Dan's house. There's water right behind the house, and there's food that is gonna last for 25 years. Greenland. Yeah. Get prepared like the last 2 weeks before election. Crazy. Yeah, crazy, crazy, crazy. It's one of those movies. Greenland. Okay. Yeah. 59. There goes 60 cents, guys. Woo, that thing is cooking. 62. Johnny, are you in this one, or you're just kind of watching for now? Let me take a look again. Uh, let me take a look. Seven. Uh, 2%. Yeah. Wait, who is? Oh, that's the JP Morgan guy. Yeah, I have no idea. I have a second place on an island. If things get really bad, is it in Canada, Kiwi, or do you have to travel? Jimmy, just here for the fun of it. I like it. 22 cents from last night. Well done, Johnny. Whew, beautiful. Congrats. Beautiful. Beautiful. Canada? Okay, good. Good, good, good. More locations. More locations to go to. Anyways, let me know if you have any last questions, guys, and then we will hop off and go back to Discord. Alrighty. So again, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already, please. Hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet, Click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightvault. Come join us in Discord. Stop missing out. Alrighty? Come join us in Discord. And let me know if you have any last questions, and then we shall hop off and go back to the Discord. Who's the Discord? We. Look at ENSC, guys. Look at ENSC. That thing destroyed, right? Again, sometimes when it's obvious, take the money and move on. Take the money and move on, please. Right? We just went from a dollar, from 82 cents all the way down to the abyss. You know, so yup. Double tops and straight to the abyss. Something big about the today. Okay. Are looking for a property up here. Oh, they are Kiwi. Oh wow. Okay. Never, Troy. Never. Yes, Eric, it was fun. Speaking of which, fun is going back up again to $12. New currency backed by 40 to 6%. Each country is holding precious metals. Oh wow, okay. Jamie is what then? Come join us in Discord, Jamie. What are you waiting for? Come join us. Kiwi, you too. You too, Kiwi. Unbelievable. Don't make me fly to Toronto, and slap you and Troy. Anyways, so yeah, fun looks good. Interesting, Jeff. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Uh, 180. Nope. Virus. Nope. Only when it's pumping. Only when it's pumping and squeezing. Alrighty, guys. Let me go do some one-on-ones. So have a wonderful rest of the day. We're going to continue in Discord, obviously. Alrighty. Hopefully you made some monies today. NDRA is still on watch. Obviously, FUN is doing well, right? So watch 1220 there for your next resistance. Maybe for ENSC, just watch a curl of 50 cents, maybe, right? 50, and then 47, right? Yeah, have a wonderful day. We will, if you do become a member, the link is going to be under the community tab to join us in Discord, or just send me an email, hottradex@gmail. Other than that, be safe. Much love. See you guys later. Raven, see you in Discord. Virus, see you in Discord. Jay, thank you. See you in Discord. Dan. Unbelievable. Bernie, see you in Discord. Troy, bye. Bye. Eric, later. Trisha, later. Jimmy, later. Jericho, see you in Discord. Thank you. Bye, Jeff. Bye. Alrighty, y'all. Gwendolyn, you're very welcome. Have a wonderful rest of the day. See you later. Okay, bye, guys.
Hot trades, building you to the scene. Hot trades, riding the money dream. Hot trades, what's your strategy? Hot trades, come and trade with me. Hot trade, places, let's go. Hot trade, we're making that dough. Hot trade, watch the market soar. Hot trade, come on, give me more, give me more. Hot trade, always set your stop limits right. Hot trade, no more slacking, trade all night. Hot trade, it's on fire, blazer shouts loud. Hot trade, stay green, make the crowd proud. Hot trade, what a monster, nice pop. Hot trade, don't let the game stop. Hot trade, from Canada to worldwide. Hot trade, come along for the ride. Hot trade, always have your own plan. Hot trade, ladies is the trading man. Hot trade, it's a pump and dump, beware. Hot trade, for the thrill, if you dare. Hot trade, it's cooking beautiful, he says. Hot trade, wild nights and trading days. Hot trade, this is business, no more slacking. Hot trade, join the fun, there's no backing. Always set your stop limits right. Hot trade, no more slacking, trade all night. Hot trade, it's on fire, blazer shouts loud. Hot trade, stay green, make the crowd proud. Hot